Whether you've loaded a brand kit or not, you can add a character style directly in GraFx Studio. Open the Resources panel and click Brand Kit. Go to the Text tab and next to Character Style, click the Add icon. Double-click to rename and click the Edit icon. Select the font, font style, size, and any other options such as line height and letter spacing. You can also click the More Options icon for additional settings. Here, we'll select Superscript. Lastly, you can select a fill color. Please note, you can click the More Options icon to either edit, rename, duplicate, or delete it. To apply your character style to a design, select your text or character and head over to the Properties panel. Under Text Style, select your character style.